what is the highest probability setup, what levels need to be broken for me to trade. Looking at this chart right here, we have SPY on the 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame shows you just enough detail to know exactly what is price doing. So what we can see from the overall picture, I'm just going to give you like a breakdown of like what is going through my head when I look at price. Like when I'm analyzing the market, I am determining things just based on things I've seen in the past. So like if you're not sure what's going to happen soon, all you have to do is look back in the history of price, because price goes through different cycles. It kind of repeats itself. And that's why we're able to predict certain movements. It's because we've seen this previously. So here we can see a huge drop from the all-time high areas. What you can see is that price is really bullish previously, and there's like periods of choppy areas. When price is really strong, like really vertical, really bullish for a long period, there's going to be a period where price is kind of exhausting, it's going sideways, just having a little breather in the market. Same thing in certain areas. You may get a bit of bearish market structure, a little bit of bullish market structure, but the thing is, we don't always know how strong that trend is going to be, how long that trend will last. You may think that, hey, I expect price to just continuously go bullish. Then at one point, if you just jump in a bullish entry, it just reverses on you and then it goes choppy and then you get stopped out. So how do you avoid all this like bad trades, all these fake outs? What I would just look at is you zoom into current price and you just see, hey, what are the levels? What are the key levels? Like support resistance is going to tell you, hey, that's an area where price has bounced before. There is a likelihood that price could do it again, but it's not a promise that it's definitely going to react the same way. So all we're doing here is drawing all these levels, but we still need to look at multiple confluences, like here, based on the other time frames, based on the smaller time frame, to determine that, hey, maybe at open, I see everything aligning, that it's bullish, price is rejecting off certain levels, it's breaking out. I am now going to look for an entry, maybe a pullback, a breakout, or whatever. I'm going to look for an entry in this direction, because what I see is that everything else is telling me that, hey, it's bullish. This is a higher probability setup. If it's a lower probability setup, then it's like, hey, I'm not too sure of the direction. Maybe you leverage lower. Maybe you just wait and sit it out and just watch how price moves. You don't always have to force yourself to trade. Just watch and learn. So here, if you're drawing like support resistance, what we see here, of course, like the overall all-time highs is a big support resistance.